In this video, I will show you how to fix the YouTube earnings showing $0 issue in YouTube Studio. If your YouTube revenue suddenly dropped to zero, or your earnings are not displaying correctly after August 8th, don't worry. YouTube has confirmed that this is a known display issue, and your actual earnings are not affected. First, open YouTube Studio and sign in to your YouTube account. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, go to the Analytics section from the left-hand menu, then open the Revenue tab and check your earnings. If your revenue is showing $0 or appears lower than expected, YouTube says this may simply be a temporary display issue. As a temporary workaround, you can still check your correct revenue figures by opening Advanced Mode in YouTube Studio. In Advanced Mode, review the revenue data displayed below the main chart. This should allow you to see the correct revenue figures while YouTube works on fixing the issue. YouTube has confirmed that there is no impact on your actual earnings. The problem is only with how the revenue is being displayed in YouTube Studio. YouTube's team is currently working on a permanent fix, so if your earnings are showing $0 after August 8th, you may simply need to wait for the issue to be resolved.